Harry Potter, what have you done? What have you done? Harry Potter, you've got into your cupboard and you've stolen the catnip, haven't you? Again. Harry? What have you done? Harry? Yes. What have you done? You've got catnip all over you. What's happening? What's happening? Are you okay? Oh my goodness, you're covered in it. Look at the floor. You've bitten into the... Oh. Are you okay? Do we need to do an intervention? Okay, you're purring now. Okay. You're happy. Have you got the munchies? Are we going to have to do this? Oh dear. Yeah. Wow, I have just cleaned this floor. Come out, he's bitten into it and it's everywhere. It's everywhere, look at this. Oh my gosh. You are a naughty boy. You don't care, do you?